Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Subtraction 2 digits. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtract two-digit numbers with regrouping, write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to 2 digits, ways to make a number using subtraction, complete the subtraction sentence up to 2 digits. Please make sure you have notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we're on right now is subtraction 2 digits. Let's just start with the lesson. That is subtract two-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today. So the first one is 52, take away 48. The first thing is let's just write them down one above the other. Always start subtracting from the ones digits. So you have 2 take away 8. You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you have to borrow 1. When you borrow 1, you're left with 4 here. And the borrow makes that 2, 12, right? So 12 take away 8 is 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 take away 8 is 4. Now you have 4 take away 4. So subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 52 take away 48 is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 4. The next one is 94 take away 27. So start subtracting from the ones digit. You have 4 take away 7. You cannot because 4 is smaller than 7. So you need to borrow 1. Have 8 here and the borrow makes it 14. So 14 take away 7 is 14 take away 7 is 7. So 8 take away 2 is 6. That is 67. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 67. Ninety-eight take away 39. 98 take away 39. So you cannot subtract 8 out of 9, so you need to borrow 1. Here you are left with 8 and the borrow makes it 18. So 18 take away 8 is 18 take away 9 is 9 and 8 take away 3 is 5. That is 59. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 59. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seventy take away 67. So you cannot subtract 0 out of 7, so you need to borrow 1. 10 take away 7 is 3 and 6 take away 6 is 0. So that is 3. 70 take away 67 is 3. Eighty-four take away 67. You need to borrow 1, so 14 take away 7 is 7 and 7 take away 6 is 1. That is 14 take away 7. Oh, that is 76. Sorry. 84 take away 76. 14 take away 6 is 8 and 7 take away 7 is 0. That is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. 94 take away 66. You need to borrow one, and that is 14. 14 take away 6 is 18. And 8 take away 6 is 2. That is 28. Option number 2 is the correct option. 98 take away 69, which is the correct option. Ninety-eight take away 69 is 29. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is what write subtraction sentence to describe pictures up to 2 digits. Let's just start with the test questions. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. There are 77 crabs. One is crossed out. So you have to take away one. So 77 take away 1 is 76. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence. Isn't it Monday? Grade 6 lesson for language or for math? For language, grade 6 session is live, and for math, today is Monday, that's grade 2. The session is for grade 2. That is 33 take away 1 because only 1 is crossed out. So 33 take away 1 is 32. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 41 take away 6, that equals 35. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 67 take away 8 that equals 59. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 15 take away 2 equals 13. Option number 3 is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write a sentence, write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? That is 35 take away 7. The correct option is option number 2, that makes 28. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 33 take away 4. The correct option is option number 3. 33 take away 4 is 29. Very good. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 69 take away 8. The correct option is 61. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 26 take away 2. The correct option is 24. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. That is 35 take away 8, that equals 27. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is ways to make a number using subtraction. Which is not a way to make 2. Let's just start with the test questions because here you're not given with the options. So, which is not a way to make 9. You are given 3 of the options. You have to subtract them one by one and you have to see the one that is not a way to make 9. So 15 take away 5 is 10. 11 take away 2 is 9. 15 take away 6 is 9. So these are the two numbers that makes 9. That is the only one that is not a way to make 9. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 15 take away 5 is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 5. So you have to find that is not a way to make 5. Let's just subtract them. 3 take away 8 is 5. 18 take away 12 is 6. 19 take away 4 is 14 is 5. The correct option is option number 2. That is not a way to make 5. 18 take away 12 is 6. That is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 20, which is the correct option. Not a way to make 20. Which is the correct option? That is 19. Take away 1 is 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 14. Take away 12. That equals to. That is the only way to not to make 4. How do you make 16? Option number 1 is the correct option. 18 take away 2 is 16. Which is not a way to make 13. Which is the correct option? Not a way to make 13. Which is the correct option? That is 14 take away 2. Option number 3 is the correct option. How do you make 3? Which is the correct option? That is 14 take away 12 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Complete the subtractions and tens up to 2 digits. Let's just start with the test questions. You have to find the missing number. 14 take away what number equals 0? 14 take away 14 is 0. You can try with other numbers. So you have to make 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. Fill in the missing number. What number take away 13 equals 4? You are given 3 of the options. So which is the correct option? That is 17 take away 13, that equals 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. That is 18 take away 17 equals 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. That is 17 take away 15, that equals 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 16 take away what number equals 5? That is 16 take away 11 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. That is 15. Take away 12 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 16. Take away missing number equals 1. That is 16. Take away 15 is 1. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 15 minus missing number equals 4. So which is the correct option? Fifteen take away 11 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 18 take away missing number equals 1. So which is the correct option? 18 take away 17 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Eighteen take away 18 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. Which is the correct option? Sixteen take away 13 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 13 take away 11 equals 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction two digits. The lessons we have covered today are subtract, subtract two-digit numbers without regrouping, write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to two digits, ways to make a number using subtraction, complete the subtraction sentence up to two digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples. And so please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.